head back. It's been too long, a bit foggy. Temperature is 1 degree. But here we are, top of Manor. Going to try and get some swims on big haze. Morning, Christian.
Morning.
How long's it been?
It took us 5 hours to get here.
Yeah, but we haven't been fishing for months. Who's calling the swim? So toss a coin. Toss a coin. All I know is it was 4.5 degrees. It's now 0. The mate is there, so I would imagine the expansion's here. Yeah. And just into the gap there. The other one, have a look. Have a toss. Mm-hmm. Go on then, just flip it up and let it land on the ground. You cool? Tails. Heads, you're cool, mate. So, toss a coin, I won. This is the swim Christian's going to have. And I'm just next door, over there. Strictly no driving, no litter, no cars. Not too far away. Start getting all the... Good morning. Good morning. Sonar, look. 1.67 metres deep, 7 degrees. I think that's a bit of weed. Just there, there's a bit of weed. Ducks coming. Open water. Ducks. Very nice. Ducks after it. Yeah. Pardon? Do it sideways. What sideways? The film. Oh. Because I can't do it. Oh, okay. I edit it on my... What's that? Is that a fish? Is it all? No, you got no fish. Oh. That's alright, we're here for 5 days. We're here for camping. We're here for 5 days. I'm going to start fires. You can see the bivvies up. Love that. You can never have too much gear. Never too... Oh, hello. What's this? Look at your state. I didn't know we were boating. Just going to have a look, see Christian's having a look at what's going on over there. Flat bottom. It says the water's 9 degrees, no way. No sign. 1.6 metres deep. What's it saying there? 1.6, 1.7, 8 degrees water temperature. No sign of the fish though, there's a lot of pressure this end of the lake. All the swims are full up. There's a chance they could be down the other end, but we will keep going. No, what's that? There's a bit of reed there. There's a shadow there just as you come past the reeds there, mate, I think, so that's it. Just finished spotting out CC Moore live system with a bit of corn and hemp in it. I've gone 8 to 10 spots around the end of that island, a big tree there to the split tree, and then I've gone You can see it just out there, about a rod length off the reeds. Another 6-7 spods out there. Just see how it goes. I'm going to set my rods up now. I've got 3 helicopter rigs onto lead core with a quick release speed system on them. They all seem to be still intact, which is good. I'll be using 2 pop-ups and 1 bottom bait. And is that good luck? There's a robin there. Do you want some food? I think I better feed it. I need all the luck I can get here. Oh, he's got something. Oh, hold on. Just a quick video on one of my rigs, which most of them are based on. 15-pound mono, anti-tangle sleeve, loop to loop onto lead core. That's the quick release stop. You see, if we get a snap off, the fish can pull the rig past that because that bead will just pop off. We run down the lead core. I've got boom material. Here's 20-pound boom material, just a crimp. See, it's sitting against the bottom stop there. And then these are just 2 boilies that match what I've just spotted out. They're bottom bait, so they're going to lie on the floor onto a Ronnie rig. I've got I will do that little stop. I want it a bit lower than that, just so it's in line with the point. And that one's going out by that tree. I will be backleading on small venues like this. I like to backlead. Just use these once I cast out. Let it slide down on a loose line and then tighten up to it. Too many lines going through the water. It's nice to get the line on the deck as soon as possible. So as much chance as possible. I'll get my rods out and then it's time to bivvy up. That's all 3 rigs out now, so ready to go. But I will say I did have to redo my right hand rod because I'm using these airball pop-ups, 15mm live system. I thought I knew what pop-ups weighed and Ronnie rigs and things, but those babies, they're really buoyant, so I had to put some extra putty on. So let's go over and have a look at what Christian's doing. What's he doing? Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. Look at the Gucci rig here. Look, ladies and gentlemen, look at the shininess here. Mate, if I was a magpie, I'd nick all this. Look, look at these bad boys. Look, oh, Carpotanium.
Hold on, this is flat. What's going on there?
Can anybody see the problem we have here with these rods, ladies and gentlemen?
Shh. Don't say that.
When Christian sells another kidney, he might get another rod.
You'll upset them.
These are lovely rods. Look, bit too broomsticky for me. So where are you, big boy?
To about 4 red lengths out on krill to the right. I am on chompy.
Is that code?
That's code for hopefully that's going to bite. No,
Look at
see
this.
what I've got. Look. I made up a...
You don't tell me these things. You come here with surprises. Gentlemen, that stinks. Fish. Here we go. Hopefully we'll have. We're all bivvied up, ready to go. I've been fishing now 2 hours.
Hour and a half.
Hour and a half. Unfortunately, we haven't seen any fish. Haven't seen a show. Any ripples. Nothing. It's not as cold as we thought it would be. There's Christian, the man, the legend. He's on his nut diet. No fun allowed. With his mansion bivvy over there, ready to go. But we'll see what we see. I've got the biggest bed available. Yes, get in there. Get in the net.
Reckon.
Yeah, give it another couple of hours. So we've had no luck, no shows, no beats, no knocks, no bites, no knocks, whatever. So Christian's wheeling in and we're going to change some baits. Bit of a snowman. Pop up on the top there. Normal pop up. And then really buoyant. Some of the brightest double corn I've ever seen in my life. Let's go on the other one. See what we can do. This is what he did have. So off we split shot. No, I don't. This is Christian's new rig. We're just worried about the tungsten putties moving around a little bit, but we shall see. We do a test dip in the water.
Lovely jubbly.
Oh, that's not. Just a warning about storing your fishing stuff where the mice are. Oh my God. Yeah. Lovely.
Sure?
Yeah.
It looks quite high to me.
No, it's going down though. It goes. It sinks down. So the fish aren't eating. So we're gonna. It's freezing cold, but the sausages are coming along quite nicely actually.
Right.
Hopefully we get something. Anything happened last night?
Yes, loads.
No,
I
what?
had...
Oh no, they're gone. What?
Hey?
Tell us.
I had nothing.
I had nothing either. A good night's sleep. That's what I had.
Nothing. Nothing. I've had a nice cup of coffee.
Yeah. Thanks, Christian. That was,
There we go.
it's delicious.
That's better. That's better.
Sort your hair.
There we go.
What you got left? There you go.
Yeah.
I'll put my hat on. I'm going to try again this morning. Respod, set them out, and what we got? 8 hours.
Yeah.
Ish,
You got a
bit
bite.
more.
You got a bite. You got a bite.
Yeah, right. Yeah. All right. Bye. So after we've had nothing all day and all night, I'm going to change this rig. Put some foam on the top there, just to guarantee that it isn't tangled up onto helicopter. Had no luck, so we're hiding in Christian's bivvy, which just happens to be a Titan T2, so there's room enough for about 40 people. Plenty of room, look,
Right,
sitting on the bed, loads of
Italian
space.
coffee on the brew.
Hey, make hay while the sun shines, and the sun ain't shining. We've changed rigs, just a few adaptations, all the spods out. Bit worried about the rigs tangling with the main line or with the boom section, so we put some foam, so the hook will be the last thing to land. But here we go again. Okay, Christian, how's things looking?
Brilliant. And said, let's go to Big Hayes.
Oh!
800 carp in here.
There's meant to be, but not this end of the lake. Have you had anything?
No. I've chucked in about 50 quid's worth of bait. Someone's had a free meal.
We've had no luck. Rain started.
I've just had a coot that went over my line and set my butter lime off, so that was quite good. At least I know the butter limes are working, so that's quite good. So we're just in here at the moment.
Brilliant.
Waiting.
Brilliant. Loving it. Anyway,
It's your fault.
I blame you.
My choice next time.
Where are we going? Spain. Yeah. That's it. Time's up. We're off home, all packed up. So what do you think, Christian, to the venue?
Great venue, no fish.
Great venue, no fish. Good condition. Facilities are good up by the shop. Toilet down by the lake.
Very nice, very nice.
Could do better, but hey, we could live with that. We blanked today and yesterday. We'll have to come back, have another go. All the fish come out the open water in between the two islands, if you're interested, anyone. Fish weren't having anything close in. Say bye.